Hola, hola, buenas tardes, buenos dias, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. I am on a little adventure today. I'm going to Bella's Artist and see what's going on downtown. So hello, it's mid-morning, so let's see. In Bella's Artist with Elena Mateva, and we are here to see an exhibit. Well, she invited me for an exhibit that is no longer going on. Don't tell them. But we're gonna see something different. What do you think so far of the exposition?
I like it very much. The place and the grass, everything.
Attached to the Bella's Artist, looking at books related to architectura. And maybe I'll check out some cookbooks as well from Mexico or Latin America. Came here to look for books on architectura and cocina, and I got books, but they're old collections. And I'm a happy woman. Bye, Bella's Artist. Now we're off to what museum?
Franz Mayer.
Inviting me, I should say. We're walking to the Franz Mayer Museum. Usually they have nice exhibits, but usually in August. But let's see what we discover today. Do you know what's going on? We are living in a new time, and we are learning new ways of socializing and stuff like that. Ah, they're open. Woohoo! Ah, yes. Franz Mayer. Truman. That is full. just finished having lunch and dinner, and we are going to go our separate ways. It was a wonderful day. How would you rate the meal? It was delicious. It's really, really good. I had more than I could eat, so I'm taking home some. Okay, so we are gonna end the video here. Stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video. Bye.